Hey, I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable management integrated with NetSuite. Today we're diving into the AR aging summary report in NetSuite. I will show you how to access it, what it's used for, and what other options you have. First, very quickly, what you need to know is that it summarizes unpaid invoices and statement charges in accounts receivable, categorized by customer and billing period. It shows current and overdue balances, and you can adjust the aging intervals and durations in the report settings. Where you access it is in Reports, Customer Receivables, AR Aging. While it loads, the AR aging report is a crucial tool for identifying where your collection efforts should be focused. Overdue accounts can signal a need for tighter credit policies to maintain healthy cash flow. Please don't forget, as a quick tip, to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. For businesses using the consolidated payments feature, these reports shows unconsolidated balances for sub-customers with totals available for customer, sub-customer relationships. You can adjust, if you look on this screen, the aging bucket intervals by editing the interval and duration field. So here you can see the date, as of, aging options also you have. So age as of today, interval regular, irregular, so you can see also the durations. For at-a-glance updates, consider adding the receivables KPI to your dashboard for quick visibility into accounts receivable metrics. If you want to customize that report a bit more and include information, for example, about your notes, communication sent and received with your customers, Coleno can help you and provide some advanced reports, so please do get in touch. And yeah, that's it. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like the video and check the comments for more NetSuite tips.